In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to position a picture anywhere in Google Docs. If you've ever dropped an image into a document and it refused to sit exactly where you wanted, this walkthrough will make the process simple and predictable. Start by clicking the picture to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and the small handles around the edges. This activates the image toolbar, which gives you quick access to layout controls. Next, choose how the text should behave around your image. In the toolbar directly beneath the image, click either Wrap Text or Break Text. Wrap Text lets the words flow around the image's sides, which is great for placing a picture in the middle or off to one side of a paragraph. Break Text puts the image on its own line, pushing text above and below it, which is helpful if you want the image to stand alone without words hugging it. If your image won't move freely, make sure you're not using the inline option. Wrap or Break gives you flexible placement. Now, drag the image to the exact spot you want on the page. Move it slowly and watch how the text reflows in real time. If the image snaps in a way you don't like, zoom in for finer control. If you need to nudge the position after dragging, try small adjustments to get it just right. If the size isn't quite right, resize the image by dragging a corner handle. Corner handles maintain the image's proportions so it doesn't look stretched. Avoid dragging the side handles unless you intentionally want to change the width or height independently. For precise control, open the side panel by clicking Image Options, then select Position. Here, you can choose Move with Text or Fix Position on Page. Move with Text keeps the image anchored to the nearby paragraph, so it shifts if your content moves. Fix Position on Page pins it to a specific spot, measured by exact X and Y offsets, which is ideal for headers, callouts, or consistent margins. Finally, if you don't want the image to shift at all while you keep editing, lock the position under Image Options in the Text Wrapping and Position sections. Choose Fix Position on Page and review the wrapping margin so the text stays clean around your image. With these settings, you'll have full control over where your picture sits, how text flows around it, and whether it stays put as you continue writing.